In this video, I'll show you how to automatically turn off mobile data when you put your Android phone on charging. So at first, open up your settings app. From here, scroll down a bit. Then go to modes and routines option. Then just tap on routines option. At first, you have to create a new routine. Just tap on this plus icon. You can see two options, if and then. At first, just go to add what will trigger this routine. Then scroll down, just go to charging status option, then select charging option and then tap on done. Now you have to tap on add what this routine will do. Just tap here and then scroll down, go to connections. From here scroll down and find mobile data. That's it, just tap here. From here you have to select off, then just tap on save, then type your routine name, then change your icon, then choose any color, then just tap on done and it's done. Now your mobile data will be turned off automatically when you put your phone on charging. Now just close your settings app. Now if I turn on mobile data, now just take a charging cable and put your phone on charging. And you can see charging has been started successfully. Now if I swipe down, and that's it. You can see mobile data has been turned off automatically successfully. Now if I remove the charger, and you can see it's turned on again, and that's it. And that is how you can automatically turn off mobile data when you put your phone on charging. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.